A new update for my collection. Look, I have the Space Molly Hello Kitty and Friends. This is Pachaco, and then the Love, and then yung mga fridge magnet ko. So I just put in a design. And then here's my this is Garfield. Ito si Gummy, si Pupu Gummy Bears, and si Mickey Collections, si Care Bears. Look, si Optimus Prime and the Minions. This is Tony Chopper. Yep. The Lakers. This is my customized Labubu. This is si Momo with an acrylic paint teeth. Tapos naka-dress up siya. These are some of my secret, the monster secret in two of them. And yan. That's the one. Yep. Yan. Si Coco. And the Gummy Bears. And yung Care Bears collections. And another si Momo. Then I have my magnets. Look. All kinds of magnet. And then ito. Look. So these are the different Skull Pandas. Tsaka Demo. Look. Yan. Yep. Other one. Yep. Another cabinet of collections. These are the si Momo. These are Angel in the Clouds. Yep. Yan. Yes. Yan. So, yan siya. And the other Skull Pandas. Yep. Art are yung mga iba. Look. Other collections. Yan. We have all the different small. And may mga customized. Yep. These are the customized